Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Proscenic DustZero S3 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. It is a versatile, easy to use stick vacuum cleaner that will come in handy if you want to maintain your floors daily. A cool feature of this newly released vacuum is its ability to have a self-emptying bin so it can empty itself without you having to manually empty the bin when it's full. The packaging looks good. Let's proceed to check what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one user guide, one power adapter to recharge up the vacuum. A docking base is provided along with the vacuum cleaner. A battery is provided to power the vacuum. Next out is the self-emptying auto-empty bin that you can use to auto-empty the vacuum bin. A pack of cleaning attachments is included, which includes different brush heads. One vacuum floor head is provided, along with an extension rod for the vacuum cleaner, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Proscenic DustZero S3 vacuum module looks really sleek and stylish in design. It has a good-sized dust storage bin on the vacuum and fits really nicely together in its product presentation. Feels high quality to the touch and responsive to different props and vacuum settings. A cool feature is the self-emptying base. You can easily rest your vacuum cleaner on the self-emptying bin and it will automatically empty the bin for you, so you don't have to keep emptying the vacuum's bin every time you finish your cleaning session. Empty and recharge all at once. How convenient! There are 4 vacuum attachments you can use, like the floor brush head, or mini brush head, to clean different items in different usage scenarios, more of which we will explore later on. The telescopic pipe allows you to connect the pipe to the vacuum to extend it out so you can use it as a floor-standing handheld vacuum. The height is adjustable. Great! It has a 450-watt powerful motor that allows users to have greater suction power when in use. So very easy to vacuum with the Proscenic S3 vacuum. It maneuvers around with ease, even under hard-to-reach areas like my table. Good functionality. Let's do a suction test. It has 30,000 max suction power, which is great. It sucked up all the dirt and mess on the floor you saw in our quick test earlier. Really effective in clearing up dirt and particles on my floor. Utilize the different attachments for different usage scenarios, like the mini brush head can be used to clean in sofas, while the other brush head can be used to clean curtains when placed on the telescopic pole. Clean hard-to-reach areas with the plastic suction head. Check out a good amount of dirt collected during my trial use. Overall, the Proscenic DustZero S3 handheld vacuum cleaner provides an effective and convenient solution to cleaning. During a full charge it runs up to 60 minutes, which is very decent. Also, I like the fact it can adjust to different suction levels like auto, max or low suction speeds. If you want to find out more about the Proscenic DustZero S3, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.